My 3 dogs are Chip, Hope, and Joy Joy, and they're all Jack Russell Terriers. When I got Chip, I was kind of ending a relationship with somebody. My dog was just a great filler for the other person who was like on their way out the door. We would just go for our walks, we would get coffee, spend my days at the dog park. All my days off were just awesome. Things were working out fine. I ended up dating somebody else, and after I ended up breaking up with him, I decided I would get Chip company and we would get another friend to add to our clan. And so I ended up getting Hope. That was a blast. I decided that I would breed Chip and Hope. Right before I ended up breaking up with somebody, Joy Joy ended up being born, which to me was perfect timing. And I called her Joy Joy because she was my joy during that whole time when I was sad.
After settling in with her family of 3 breakup dogs, Shelby finally found love again with Greg Salsley, a doctor.
She's a great gal. She's got a lot of energy, and her dogs have a lot of energy as well.
So I had a friend, we would trade off dog sitting, and one time she came and she took Hope, and they go to the dog park, and there was a rescued greyhound that came and just picked her up in the middle of while they were running. Everybody at the dog park freaked out. She was scared when I started going back to the dog park.
After she was attacked at the dog park, Hope suddenly developed an uncontrollable aggression toward other dogs.
Hope would jump out the window to go get a dog and bite the dog. And I noticed that Joy Joy, I don't know if she picked up on Hope, what was going on, the problems, but she was growling all the time.
We would just sit quietly on the couch together, maybe watching TV, and there was really no stimulus, and all of a sudden, one dog would attack the other dog, and it was so quick you couldn't even tell what happened.
All of them, when I'm giving them affection, will growl at the others.
My dog used to just not even notice other dogs and be very well behaved, but now that it's joined this pack, now it actually lunges and tries to attack other dogs as well. I think if she had one dog at a time, I think the dog would be perfectly trained, but she's trying to do 3 dogs at the same time.
Shelby's pack has serious problems. She calls in Cesar Millan, who specializes in turning chaotic dogs into happy, balanced packs.
All right, so Joy Joy is dominant. Chip is territorial. Hope is aggressive. So all those things are really bad. It only leads them into fights. You understand? If I'm one of them, what would you do? Okay, you turn, you put me down, so tell me. Okay, do it on my arm then.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, I was just like, no. And I guess finally I give up.
Your job is to stay there until you accomplish. So you wake up in the morning, and then what happened?
I work long hours, so during the...
What do you do?
I'm a nurse.
Okay.
On the days I'm off, I always, get them out to go for a walk, or I go rollerblade with them, or we go kayaking.
Nice. You're already doing a wonderful exercise, but you're not doing good rules, boundaries, limitations. So your equation is based on affection and exercise, no good discipline. You just have to make things happen. It's just, this is what I want, this is what it is. And you have to project the energy. Otherwise, they don't get the clear message. Wait.
Suddenly, Cesar gets a chance to witness the breakup dog's bad behavior.
Hey. That is a better way to respond than the whole thing you just did right now. She pulled the leg,
right,
and that makes her a prey.
Right.
Instead of grabbing the one who is at the highest level of growling and touch the neck and grab the neck.
Okay.
Boom.
Because sometimes you can't even, I'm not even sure who it is sometimes.
Well, that's because you panic.
Okay, so let's say they're in a big dog fight, hold on to each other, and they just don't let go. So then what do you do?
They don't let go?
Yeah. I mean, they just hold on so tight. I mean, I don't know what to do.
This is what it works for me.
Okay.
This is the most vulnerable part.
Okay.
Right there. I will grab just the way the mother would have grabbed them in the beginning.
Okay. Here, come on.
Oh, this is good. This is good. It's up. They're into a fight. Boom. By me lifting them from their neck, touching them with a calm, assertive energy, disorients them. So because they were in an aggressive state, I'm not going to keep them facing to each other. I'm going to turn them away from each other. I know it looks like things the human would never do, but this sends them back into, hey, I'm biting, I'm really biting, letting them know that I am now in control. The behavior they're doing is unwanted by me. Especially with little dogs. You can't do that with Rottweilers and German Shepherds, you know? But with little dogs, it's easier to grab the neck and just send them into that state. And you wait there until they surrender, then you put them back together. You don't want to separate them after a fight.
Okay.
And then that's how the fight ends.
Cesar now tests Shelby's dogs by having 2 neighborhood canines walk by the window in plain view.
Just want to see the reaction. Hey. Hey. This is good. There we go. Hey. Hey. There we go. Good. You can also help me over there.
Okay.
Because...
No more. You're gonna stay.
Hey.
Sit. You're gonna stay. No. Stay. No.
What we did was to claim. It's important that if you don't want a dog to get near a certain area because it empowers them, claim it.
No.
There we go. Now we're coming the biggest source. This is really the biggest source of your energy here. So that's what I went firmer with her and use her as an example to the rest of the pack. It's not always the male who's the most powerful. Here we have a great example of the mother named Hope, who was the most powerful link. I use their pack leader to let them know that I am now their pack leader. Discipline is 2 steps. You address and you follow through. This guy is the easier pack member. So if you can keep him in that state, he also projects that calm energy. So you don't have to worry about 3 entities. They just want to know that somebody owns the territory so they feel safe.
Okay.
So because I became their dominant source, now they have, look at that, that's beautiful. Now she's relaxed. But look at this picture now.
Oh, yeah, they're calm.
They're calm, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I've never seen them calm like this looking at a dog through the window.
Next, Cesar, Shelby, and Greg lace up their rollerblades and take the pack to face the outside world.
Here's the first client that I had that actually rollerblades. And that was a nice thing. That was actually the best thing that happened for me today. This, to me, is a walk.
I know. I totally love it, too. I totally love it.
They enjoy the speed. This, 3.5. They enjoy 3.5, and they hate 1.2.
This vigorous rollerblading session will also drain the dog's excess energy before they take on the challenge of meeting other dogs.
Yeah, there seems like somebody way across the street over there. There's somebody up there. There's 2 up there.
Yeah. We're just gonna pass by. That's all we want.
All right.
Hey. Oh, that's what Hey. There we go. What? Hey. See, I'm focusing on her. She's sending the signals of what to do.
Okay.
So you have 2 dogs, but you're going after the one who's creating the behavior.
Okay.
See, she goes into a better state. She gets into the alert state, waiting. Hey. Hey. Remember? That's it, look, right there. It freezes. Hey, relax. Hope in every single exercise we did, she keep telling us, hey, you know, I am the dominant one. I don't surrender. The rest of they do, but not me. My friend here is doing fantastic.
Okay, I didn't know that. Mm-hmm.
Really good.
Yeah.
This one is just a reaction of her.
Okay.
So not to get angry, not to get frustrated, we're creating limitations. Then we can set rules. And as you see, we're focusing on her more than we focus on her. And by changing her, she changed.
We were wondering which one was in charge.
I know.
Right, oh, this one.
Yeah.
This one keeps sending that alert signal. There's a chain reaction.
Right.
So we're not hurting them, we're not punishing them, we are disciplining them. And we're using part of the body to get the attention that we want, which is stop being fixated on dogs, period. You remember, you can touch, boom. If you're gonna touch, boom. Touch, right there. You wanna discipline, boom. Discipline, that's good, good. This is discipline. This is a dog. A dog would be grabbing like this
Okay.
and discipline them. So every once in a while, for no reason at all, you can practice this.
Okay.
Shh. Of course she's gonna fight, because she's the one who controls the pack. So if she stays there, she's gonna lose the control. Shh. You can't let them, I'll show you when to let it go. You have to surrender. Shh. See, you saw that correction? Mm-hmm. So you saw the teeth?
Yep.
You see where the teeth are? Look, right there. Your remote. And this makes them very peaceful. Then you can give affection.
They look very peaceful.
Yeah.
They look like they're gonna fall asleep.
Yeah. Well, it's very important to them that somebody tells them what to do and somebody reminds them who's in control. And we want to be the one in control.
That's amazing.
You see it? This is very important to them. This is primal. Doesn't matter what breed the dog is, this is primal. This is what wolves do. This is what African wild dogs do. This is what dingoes do. Anything that's related to a dog, this is what they do. Then, you know.
Yeah, I've never seen them calm in the park like this before. They're usually just really excited.
Yeah, so this is a way for them to enjoy. You know, you get the benefit of Mother Nature. I think we have accomplished something.
The most important thing I learned from Cesar today was to be calm, even in my chaos that I have, and to be assertive and try to be in control of them.
Instead of just being part of the environment, you make the environment part of you. When you make the environment part of you, you are the leader of everybody around. They are halfway there. They rollerblade, that's awesome. She just have to really understand and follow through with the rules, the boundaries, and the limitations.
Do you think it's beneficial to take her by herself sometimes walking?
Very good.
I have come to see now that it is Hope who is more the problem. So I will be taking Hope out to go walk with her by herself and help her learn techniques to be calm, just with me first. So she'll be a better leader for them.
Greg, who didn't say much, but his energy was absolutely great. He really created an impact among the pack. It's really what Shelby needs.
They're going to do much better now. They're going to do much better. I just know. I can see it.
If Shelby becomes a consistent pack leader, she can transform her anxious breakup dogs into a peaceful, happy family.
Thank you very
so
much for the opportunity.
Thank you so much.
You know what I enjoy the most? The rollerblading time.
I know.
That was great.
Thank you, guys.
Okay.
All right. Look at that. That's beautiful.